Good day and Assalamu alaikum. I am going to discuss to you about the impact of the ICT health on society. So nowadays, the ICT is changing the landscape of the world and leading us toward the sophisticated technical worlds. The emerging role of the ICT has created a hug impact on the healthcare. So let us discuss the ICT on health. Information and communication technologies embody all digital technologies that support the electronic capture, storage, processing, and exchanging of information in order to promote health, prevent illness, treat diseases, manage chronic illnesses, and so on. So because of the ICT, it is enhanced the quality of care, increasing the patient security, data protection, reduce operating and administrative cost. So it has become easier for our doctors to take care of their patient and their work has become easier for them. Let us discuss about the advantage and disadvantage of ICT on health. So the first advantage is increasing quality in the patient assistance. So ICT can help improve patient safety through the direct access to the medical case story. The second one is cutting down the medical spending. The ICT helps reduce the cost and reducing the time required to process data and manage paperwork. The third one is possibility to carry on a brand new health models. So because of the ICT, we have a modern technology used to treatment for the patient. The fourth one is checking the treatment online. So we all know that we have an pandemic. So some of the patient want to consult to her doctor or his doctor through the online app. So educate the health professionals. So because of the ICT, they contribute a lot to our educational health professionals and to our future nurses and doctors. So let us discuss about the disadvantage of ICT on health. So the first one is the cybersecurity risks in health. Our focus on stealing healthcare records are particularly attractive target of the cyber criminals. So the second disadvantage is increasing cost of treatment for the patient. So may mga private hospital is the more gumaganda yung technology nila is the more na nag-i-increase yung bayad sa kanila. Especially sa mga private hospital. So, the more na gagamit ka ng new technology or technology is malaki rin yung halagang babayaran mo. So the third one disadvantage is show the wrong result of the patient condition. So minsan hindi alam ng mga health professionals na may sira pala yung kanilang technology. So minsan nagko-cause ito or nagpapakita ito ng wrong result of the patient condition. So the fourth one is the lack of information of the patient. The fifth one, disadvantage is time consuming in recovery. The last one is damaging cells and organ of the body of the patient. So, because of the technology is maaaring maapektuhan niya ang pangatawan ng isang tao. Because may mga tao na mahina sila or bawal sila sa technology or the ICT. So let us discuss about the use of ICT in healthcare can be categorized into four main streams such as health and education. So the health and education is create awareness among the public about the communicable diseases health status, prevention measure, and various current diagnostic and therapeutic procedures. So, the hospital management system is ICT helps the hospital management system to lead the organization in a successful way. So, it is help the management to overcome the challenges faced by the hospital. ICT also helps the management to improve the patient safety and satisfaction, get updated to the latest technology, and have a knowledge on population health and static and keep note on the government mandates on track. So the third one is the health research. So the ICT in health research helps to finding the possible prevention measure to eradicate and reduce the spread disease. We can find new technology in diagnosis, which reduce the time and the cost. So the health and data management enable you to integrate and analyze medical data to make a patient care more efficient. So the extract insight that can improve medical outcomes while protecting the security and privacy of the data. So because of the ICT, our privacy data or is safety na ito because of the modern ICT or modern technology. So the first question about your quiz is in your own idea, why it is important the ICT on health sectors. I repeat, in your own idea, why it is important the ICT on health sector. So let us discuss how to use an ICT for the health sectors. So we can use the surgical devices with camera. We can record the surgical procedure while surgery is carried out. Devices and appliances which are used in the practical training of doctors and nurses. Devices used to analyze the stone and different medical records. So because of the ICT, it is a positive impact to our healthcare and health sectors. So they help improve the patient safety through the direct access to the medical history, checking the treatment online, keeping the track of the patient progress, and anticipating possible medical errors. So malaki ang naiambag ng ng ICT to our health sectors. So in your quiz number 2 question is gives and 5 technologies devices of doctors that they are used in medical treatment. I repeat, give 5 technologies devices of doctors that they are used in medical treatment. So thank you for watching and wassalam.